UnitedHealth Group has had insider buying, a lot of insider buying right now. Here we are. CFO, 5 million. CEO, 25 million. Director, 500,000 million. So 25 million is a lot of money to put in stock, and it might be the right time because it was a very good stock to own, raising its earnings year after year, raising its dividend year after year. Except for this last year, there's fraud investigations, and they've lowered their earnings guidance. But the business still has a moat around it. It's a big business with a big moat around it. If you dive in further. But basically, the insiders are buying now. It can go down lower, but I just believe this is being way oversold on fear. Let's look at the last time this has happened. Two companies that have gone very well. So Facebook had a 25% drop in one day in 2022, all the way down from basically halved. More, it's a set. Let's look at that drop. That is 376 to 123. Now it's back up almost to 700. That's pretty crazy. So that was majorly sold off. Let's see the reasons why that was sold off. First ever decline in daily active users. They're declining. They thought that was the end. Since then, so this is a massive sell-off for small reasons that they got over. That's what Warren Buffett likes to step in. One-time events where people get scared, and he snaps them up at a good price. Not that he snapped up this company, but you get that. Meta stock experienced significant sell-off, dropping over 25% on February 3rd. Biggest one-day decline ever. This dramatic plunge erased $230 billion in market value. Disappointing earnings decline in daily active users. Disappointing earnings report, which revealed a decline in daily active users. So that was temporary. Tesla, they were burning down Tesla cars. Even I was thought Tesla's going nothing. No one's going to buy a Tesla again. Now we're back to normal. I don't know how I got caught up with that. I was just watching too much Tesla burning down videos. And Tesla's going to have the Tesla robot, which is going to dwarf, if they get it right, it's going to dwarf anything related with cars and self-driving. So anyway, back to UnitedHealth here. The insider buying is off the chart. See a good side here. Insider trading, Sec Form 4. So you might want to dive into UnitedHealth a bit more. If you look into them, they do have a moat around the business. They've got AI. They know basically there's a decline in earnings, and it's an insurance company. So what's going to happen? The payouts, the amount they're paying out has gone up past what they thought it was going to be. So next year, guess what they're going to do? They're going to raise the premiums on insurance, etc., to deal with that, the uproar, to deal with the upness of people getting paid out, if you understand. So turn this to houses to get burnt down that year. Therefore, they raise the premiums the next year to a good price where they're still just profitable and can pay out people at a good price. And they have AI technology telling them how to do this, or assisting them to do this, should I say. So that's my scoop. I think this is a fear sell-off, and I reckon this thing's going to come back quite strong. Would I bet on it? Yes.